Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'll take you through how to always forward phone calls, how to forward phone calls when unanswered, as well as how to forward phone calls when unreachable. We're going to do this on a Samsung phone, and this works on the Samsung Galaxy A series and then the S series. First thing is to tap the call app. From there, tap the three dots as shown by the arrow in the video. Tap the settings option. Over here, you want to, under the call settings, scroll up till you see the supplementary services. Tap the supplementary services, and from there, you're going to have to tap call forwarding under the SIM card you want to enable the call forwarding for. So you can see in this particular case there are two SIM cards in this phone, the SIM 1 and the SIM 4. I'm going to tap call forwarding under SIM 1, which is what I want to enable the feature for. From there, tap the always forward and enter the phone number, the new phone number you want to forward the calls to. When you are done entering the number, tap the turn on option to enable the always forward feature. I will copy this number because I will use it again. So when this is enabled, every phone call that comes to this phone will be redirected to that number you enter there. Tap on it again, tap the turn off to disable the feature. Let's also look at the forward when unanswered. Tap on that, enter the phone number. So I'll paste the number I copied earlier. Tap the turn on to enable the forward when unanswered feature also. Do the same for the forward when unreachable, and you will be good to go. So to disable them, just tap on it, tap the turn off option, and you would have disabled it for both the forward when unanswered and then the forward when unreachable. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share this video, and then I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.